Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Brickers County High School Principal Adam Cox. Here with you on November the 29th, Thursday afternoon. Got a different venue than what I normally do. I'm not in my office. I had to get home this afternoon for some things, so we're being filmed in my house tonight. So do want to kind of give a quick update on things that are going on at the high school, athletically and academically. Athletically, we'll start off because we do have a ball game tomorrow night, Friday night. Boy-girl doubleheader with Cloverport. That's an 11th district rival. That'll be a great game tomorrow night. So come out and support both Lady Tiger and Fighting Tigers. Both are off to great starts this season, and both have high expectations for the season. So the girls are 2-0 as they have defeated Davis County and Evans County this week. And our boys are 1-0 after they defeated Evans County on Tuesday night. So great start to both of them. Look forward to what they have. Look forward to watch them all season. Our girls will play another big game on Saturday as they will be playing at the Owensboro Sports Center against Christian County. So that'll be a big-time matchup with a Region 2 opponent. That is a very strong Region 2 opponent, one of the favorites to win that region. So that'll be a great opportunity to kind of see where our young ladies stand this early in the season. So good luck to them. Next week, there are some games going on that our girls will be traveling to North Hardin on Monday, and then the girls will be at Hancock County on Saturday the 7th. That'll be a boy-girl doubleheader on Friday the 7th. Our boys will be at Owensboro Catholic on Monday night, and that's a varsity JV game, and then they, again, will be at Hancock County on Friday night. Academically, a couple things to go over. Would like to just say that we are in our week 4 of On to College, which is an ACT-based intervention that all of our students are going through in the high school. I'm very excited about that. The students have bought in completely and are working very hard on this program. I could not be more proud of them and excited when I walk the halls and just seeing the kids working hard on basic grammar strategies, reading strategies. We start going into some math strategies, math interventions next week. So we're very proud of their efforts. We've got 2.5 weeks of school left before the end of the semester. So I would like for you to encourage all parents and students out there to start worrying about grades. Do have some F's in our building right now that I'm trying to combat against and work with. So work with many kids on trying to get those up. The last 2 days of the 9 weeks, on the 18th and the 19th, we will have finals. So we only have 2 days of finals. So be sure you prepare for that. That is something that's new for all freshmen. So freshmen, please be prepared for finals. We will start a meeting in the lunchroom and handing out we'll be handing out our exemptions. So if you do have an exemption, please go by that. You could use those on those final exams. So please go by and sign up for those. Your books are on sale now. So this is the early bird rate. So try to come by and buy your book at this time. And that concludes these announcements. Thank you for listening. And that's just a quick update on what's going on here at the high school. Everybody work really hard. Have a great day and be a champion.